Some people, Rosealee come out, come defend the lion man and rub Miss Blinga and tell her about her man where they pan phone with another man. Is what me I say. So Blinga come out and say the lion man and him woman fool the people them. Is what me I say. And now them they back. See him, can look like say the lion man gone back to him woman. And people, remember me telling about social media, say everything where you see, you can't just believe. You see me I say? People do all different type of things for get a buzz. You know what I mean? Or get a buzz and get gift and get whole heap of people to come on them live. You know what I mean? So we are going to hear how Rosealee angle Blinga. You see me I say? And tell her about her man where everybody, you know what I mean, going him DM, him take on to them and him have a woman. But people, me not lie, what him and Blinga have, I don't know what to call it. Because me don't know if Blinga a kinda try to make him look nowhere when him a chat to different woman. So him tell her say, yo, yeah man, you can talk to them other woman there and knock them and all these things. But we're gonna hear Rosealee say me people. So make we kick it off and hear what she say.
Jaden at 20 something, you told them in them 20s. Shut up the door. The two of them play tit for tat. So if Jaden want to go back Ashley being that is no scam. It's no scam. It's no scam. It's no scam. Mr. RT class you over here and tell about your oh yeah, oh big dirty nasty. Oh, you don't have the aura over there. You don't have the aura. Move your blood clot because the husband, the most long blood clot time. Up your whole clothes you wear. Up your old clothes you wear. And how much money him send come give you. And him give him things. And you broke out hungry. And you had this. And you had that. And we all see you and him. So what that what? Who's the real scammers here? No, me asking you know. Can you like chat off your mouth, Blinga? You like chat. I'ma tell you, don't come with them something here. All I was trying to say is, we want to hear about the court case from police. That me that say. Like, you know, suck your man, I'm not play the match.
One, only one.
Yeah.
One, please.
One
please, only one.
Only a big stinking hole.
Only one.
Yes, you, Rose. So one reason why I never want to go with go.
Let me talk and you stay down. When I'm ready for add you, me add you.
Alright.
Let me talk. Right? No people. Jaden never want to go with Ashley. He never wanted to go. He never wanted to go no dinner date. He never wanted to go nowhere. It's I tell him, let us go there. Come. I'm the one to come carry her out. Go look for her. He was supposed to go and look for her. But I said to him, say like, oh, call her and tell her, say we are come for her, go eat lunch. What's wrong with that? I'll actually do a throw water upon Jaden. Them conflict do happen. But I believe that she handled a situation for a girl that I want to put this well in the people. I don't want to say I mean I know what subject, you know. For Ashley now that is a teacher, she handled the situation messy. At first you handle the situation messy, and that's why up until now, that bond and that love that Jaden had for you, you threw it away because of your ego. You handle the situation messy because you have a person that I think teacher must study for one of the same thing the way you can sit down and talk to a student if they have any problem. Teacher supposed to have that papers there. What Kimura? I believe that as a teacher, you counselor. I think teachers supposed to have that degree there too. I believe that as a teacher, you handle the situation. Or shall I say that I'm not using teacher. I believe that as an educated young lady that knows right from wrong, you handle that situation very unprofessional. And that is the feedback you are getting now. That is the feedback you are getting now. You handle the situation very unprofessional. You understand? Because you know Jaden's situation. You know his situation. And you use it against him, Ashley. You understand? When I bring you down, we're not here to judge. I am just saying, let us start some truth. You know his situation. You know everything I am with there. And he must say to him, well, what I saw that based on, you know him not have no one for go, you know him not have no mother, no father, no sister, no brother. Him not really look like him have a relative to me. You behave with him a weird. What me never like. I never like how you behave with him. But I was getting where you were coming from. But you did it in a no way for me. Because there's two sides to a story. And I see where you're coming from. Honestly, when I put all of these and it run through my head like when paper run through something for print, I see the vision. Because Jaden feisty. And when you say stuff to him, he's going to say back something to agitate you. And then y'all look on, oh, me come here and me day here and him family put him out. I'm try to have that nigga your back and this is where he wants to talk to me. This is the way he wants to treat me. I understand. When I young people, I understand very well. Me not really come about down in that part there. Me not come about down in that part there. But I read the big girl them call that the blacklist, something wrong with the blacklist. Mute them. Bar black them, throw them off our page. You just hear a story. It takes months to process in your brain to see what is really reason. Right?
So people, me not lie. I don't think Blinga should be the one to come out and I say people, fool people, forget whatever. Because in my opinion, Blinga them do enough for that. You see me I say, I mean, I don't want to get in it, go say, oh, and them and whatever, but you see me, them do that already. You see me, in my opinion. So, on the internet, especially on TikTok, and people say money over there, them are going to do all different type of things. You know what I mean? Me not say a fool, the lion man and him woman, fool nobody, but you know what I mean, it is possible. You see me I say, can enough of them me think on the internet do that forget gift. You see me I say? And me not lie my people. Rosealee is a person where it look like she really check for the lion man. You know what I mean? She have him back in her way. You see me I say? So make watch some more and hear where Rosealee I say.
Right here, the two of them is my young people. She came off wrong and strong. He said a lot of things that me know cut her deep, like when she's such a pregnant. And you know, they are young people. So if the boy want to say, okay then, let us give this relationship a try. If he wants to. That now all scam come in. No scam was here. A Sunday, toes had people over film life, toes had over minds. And I said to Jaden, you just win number one. You told me that yes, Rosealee, Ashley pregnant. You text me and say Rose she pregnant. Fit true. Tasha. So I am saying to you, because I love you like a friend. Well, I love you like a little brother. I am saying to you as my friend that I love so much, be a man. If you tell me that you're pregnant for true, me I try make you do your duties as a man. No, me and Jaden and Ashley, I don't you eat this bigger house to go. So what kind of scam story I come about? Oh, people pass. But those can I push out with Jaden? I will never did a blood clot hide. Me talk it publicly. And me ask him for coming up because I never want to go. I know him stay. So I say, what you do? Remember, so the girl pregnant now, what you do? I'm Rose. Him no want to talk about him, say, what you do? Let us go and have lunch. I buy Jaden, the one buy something. I say, no buy enough, nothing. We not buy nothing. We are go out for lunch. We not buy nothing. We are go out for lunch. When you come for me and him got half a tree. I say like come reach a half a tree. Cause I go collect something and I go collect something. I got the dentist, we call her, we say put on your clothes again, we're gonna have lunch. So how scamming blood clot come in? How scamming come in? Me not understand how scamming blood clot come in. The two of them are young blood clot people. She doing bad and him do her bad too. But you know why I blame Ashley? Ashley took advantage of his situation. Come on, that's right. I not going to say Ashley right. Ashley, she know what she do. Ashley, you took advantage of his situation and you know. You know you took advantage of his situation. You know. You did. And it look like you've been there that do it and it's soaking in a him. Like you've been there that do it because you know we did upon the live and we hear one. But me now say him not tell you things to tempt you, you know. Because I know him feisty. So it takes two to make a quarrel. But anyway, if you can mend back on a situation as a young parent, try do so. If you can mend back on the situation, somebody block the person right, Ashley again, move from me so. I beg me come for beg while I love people business. Lift up. I see where he's coming from. I see where she's coming from quite so. You understand? I met Ashley yesterday. I mean, I wonder if a nice lady Ashley play her, but she was so calm and collective. And when I tell me in front of her, I say, Jaden, I not trust Ashley, you know. And she said, no, Rose, I'm not going to. And she was nice, calm, and collective yesterday.
People, tell me what you think, right? If you don't feel like say them feel link back or them not feeling. Because I feel like say if them, you know what I mean, like I get a youth for the youth, them for see if things can work out. You know what I mean? Because every picnic want them two parent. You see what I say? So if them do it because of the youth, them for do it. You see what I say? So we are gonna hear Rosealee talk about Blinga man or something, you know, people. So we no wait for hear that. So make you watch some more.
You understand? And I met her son Malcolm, which is he's a nice, handsome boy. Very nice. And she behaved yesterday like a professional lady. And I was so surprised. Because normally me know her as a dash water lady. Yeah, that's his name, Malcolm. One nice brown look boy. Him speak two language. So him talking a freedom language and he can speak English also. Him understand a little bit. So, me know Ashley a dash water little girl. I mean I say, but Ashley you change, man. Come here, Fred, and she was so calm and decent. I never know some people could just change up them ways. But I believe that Ashley was just expecting more of a man from Jaden than what it is now. And Ashley for understand say Jaden is still young. It takes a lot of growth to become an official man. What you're trying to get out of him, it will come out, but not as yet. And if you really love him, like what you say, for who he is, well, fine. You understand, fine. The whole of a human being, if he wants to talk back to you, nobody on the internet should decide whether or not you said things and he said things also. So me, I want to go yesterday, wasn't a surprise. You're pregnant. The internet see you crazy over him because you left your yard much in time. Much in time you left your yard, come here and can't go home now. You understand? But sometimes, mama, the way you go about things, and that's the way you go about things. No! Blinga, come here. When RT they come over here, and say Blinga is a nasty old, and class all body shame and tell about all body shame and tell about your shape. Tell you all but remember so the one on the panel live, you know. I wanna beg for Ivan the courthouse, then I beg for Ivan the session. I wanna beg 20,000 US dollar. I know nobody know you them the money they go, you know. Me not going like that. That's one thing wanna never see me talk about it, can me not give. But when I bring up that no. Me not talk about that because that's not my concern. When uno slump on the internet a scam people, you hear Rosealee ball out. If me and Jaden a scam, uno scam too. Remember, uno a bigger scammer than we. Uno a big scammer, we a young scammer. And one way it's spelling a scam. Big remember say you are your posse crew a scammer too. Remember you are your big posse crew, them a scammer too. All who you like, all who you artists along and chat, all of them, the one of them are scammer too, because them stung pan live in a box every day and a convict people send money all the while. Remember, so when Kizzy them did say, she cut her ear till I bleed, you first did run go over. I said, oh God, Ed Kizzy, I want to find out, say, the girl want to do something different. You turn back come say, the people that want back their money when I don't see the reason for that. Cause me go over there and I try say help her and then me hear something different. You know what me I say? People are so you go. You understand? You get $2,000, your friend them. Nobody not telling so now scam. Ivan can't spend money in a prison. The people them come talk say we never play no liar. I know we don't know where the real money they got to. I wait towards how much. Who get this and who get that? We don't know about that all now. Cause not sure you hear me not talk about it, Everybody see the story. Me just not type. Me listen and move along. I own a scammer. What the fuck would they say scam? I give you a beg. What they say scam? Beg 2 gifters 2 blood clot gift. Eh? To all RT come out and class you. And tell us say you're dirty whore. And tell us say you're not married. And ball out to you fuck police. And ball out to him give 400 and blood clot at $1. You go buy clothes, you buy all clothes. And rub it down to the body. Me surprised or you. Arms and gloves RT same way. Cause I couldn't have no friend of class me up on social media and come up in my box.
Alright, so people, me never did want to say it, but here Rosealee come say it, when them collect how much money and say this and say that. You see me? And people, we not hear nothing after the money collect. Them just stop talk about everything. You see me I say? So people can't say at that them they do take people money and fool people and take them money. You see me I say? So make me know what you think in the comment section. We're gonna watch some more my people.
You understand? Remember me that the vendor a long time over IG. And you tried come here. We put the difference aside. But RT you're a real genuine friend over there out with the all the while. After him talk out certain things, don't know we never know. Bling up on the real story of people come RT come tell the internet say you have this, and oh you not have no husband. I would have my husband RT come back out and everybody become me believe RT. Him not a joke. Him rub you out that him did rub you out and send back come send back come here. Because if him even prank the internet, same go and come back and him a look a big boss, him a look back some followers, some views, and him a prank the internet with your name. All of them there's something the way him say was very unnecessary. I know when him attack the things them, him never did a run no joke Tasha. No joke, him never did a blood clot run. No joke. That man was serious as if you guys don't know RT, I know him. We know when RT a joke, I mean when RT serious as. And when RT come out, in a class, Blinga, him serious as. Him serious. Serious. Bring down. He gave you. Serious bring down he gave you. So who they are cap? I'm sort of a bomber rascal out, The tire tech, I dig up all type of story, me still want trend that. Because guys don't go look bad for you bomber wall as a woman in a people business and the look boy out with baptism. You don't church stain pan him. Like when baby kick up on the battle calm and the pampas long. That the story that I wanna run around it, skip around it, dance around it. The people in pan TikTok like ask police and look a batty fellow. It can't blood clot. Just die out so. It's still got in a memory. If you don't know. So So when me I say do court case pan police, me I protect you and what you bail. Not him. And your relationship. Cause you can't say you are why. And any sitting or slide na film blood clot them him drop number. What kind of man that? What kind of man that? And somebody slide in him DM him drop blood clot number. Guys, thank you for the gifts. Anybody will drop in him DM, not a respect for your Blinga. And you're a big woman. So when you hear girl attack and I try to open your eyes wide, you go on like say, girl go against you, and girl flip switch upon you, and girl this and girl that. Girl yeah, as a big woman, like you have love blind the two of them. Cause he does not respect you. For that story to come out, I want a blood clot catfish. Somebody go there, me delete it about the person. Hey, look here, no, you don't know, send me up. Me not respond. The wall over the pan. We try. The wall over the pan, blood clot, tick them. Got them. Me get them. You think I don't get them? What do you think, say? I don't get DMs? So I don't come talk about my DMs, them that I get. I get DMs. A lot of we have TikTokers got them some all different type of people. One of them I look this, or one of them I look that, or one of them I do this, or one of them I do that. He has no respect for you. Use the boy I use him as an opportunist. And now you nah see that. One police, you don't see the opportunity when I look for you. One police, you can't see that. You don't see my opportunists. If police did respect you, him on sky would not talk for that if not there. Miss Blinga. If police did have respect, some type of respect for you, him on sky would not talk in a no session. For him to say it's cat, no, not him. For you to say it's catfish. Me no hungry opportunists, boy. We look opportunity. Me no hungry boy, we look opportunity. And that means that Anna Sky alone going to police them. I want people going at it. So just know, say, anybody that has more cash than you can sweep him off of you. Take him away from you.
Alright, so people, me feel like the reason why Blinga like tell our man say him can deal with the next woman and them with it because one woman see did I send him things, you see me I say, and Blinga never really liked that, like the woman did want to take him away from her. So Blinga kinda, you know what I mean, make it look like say she want him to deal with other woman and take them things, you see me. So you see the same thing with Queenie make do ya do, and that same thing like Blinga make this youth ya do, you know what I mean. So right from Blinga okay with that, him a go want knock everything we come.
Blinga, you know there no way. But as I tell you, make you know, any girl will have more money than you. I talk about name. Sometimes name without money. But I have name, I can't go to the blood club party shop and say, oh, I name Mrs. Leaching wife. Sell, I need 2 party of money and buy it. Don't bring out any girl will have more money more than you. That is just what he's trying to prove. You be true, on blind by love car. Well love on blind by no. It's just to show that anybody will have more money more than you that can help police, whether man or woman, he will be going. Because if Sky DM you, the first thing first, you have to do upon our page, go look, who are DM me? Who is this person? So you go over Sky page, you must say Sky a blood clot, man. So you go upon Sky page and look upon Sky by the could. You say Sky a man. Why police, why you never look upon Sky page? Somebody can DM you, you just run, go take DM so. Cause your opportunities is not on gonna licky. But go over Skype with all of Skype show them post up. Sky doing body, yes, and embrace, yes. But Sky look like man. You understand? Not disrespecting baby long time from long at me know him long time. Baby, know him long time. Long time know him. But look at that baby, look at baby me know him as. Look at that baby. Baby you look like man. He's very masculine. And yes, so all foot. And if you go over and go look on the picture, you can say, no man. But you never go look. You run, say no man a day, man, still long attack, and you look money. You're hungry, you look some cash. Money, you look. Money, you look. Money. Then no. You hear over blood clot. The streets of Blinga RT. Who not come for me and class me, all you can't tell me say me no live no way. Who no can't tell me say me hungry. Them all come for me. Who no can't tell me say me hungry. I have improved. Who no can't tell me say me hungry and you can't tell me say me no live no way with me. Let me get that across the board. I say blood clot police and Nurse Brown still don't play a Nurse Brown 40. He's an opportunist, look a boy. Yeah, he's an opportunist. Lions here look. But I know Nurse Brown and an idiot. Cause Nurse Brown phone can't beg too much. Nurse Brown only give. I believe that Nurse Brown only give when he sees it's necessary or something boy touch his heart, mind and soul. From Nurse Brown, them a walk a blood clot hospital. Them train for human and them train for psychology and say, you know some hungry sort of boy or yeah and sell out here for money. You can't get that even a blood clot. Rose! Go follow TikTok police. Go follow my boyfriend. And when I go up on live, you can get one good money gun. Because $5. What do you know? Hey, Blinga go slung here, man. Go look smart yes, come to know where you do with police. And you not like when I tell you that. Me not go slung on class like them, you know. And tell you how you this. And to be not have them the time there. Go look at blood clot, man. Because police are money queen. You their blood clot for all these years of long book of life. And look at you can't come to Jamaica get on one trip. You have to pick up blood clot police. When you reach him can rent one car out and pack it for the days and for drive you up and run. For sure for Justin. Him can rent one Airbnb out of film packet. So you can along and say, okay then, I come on TikTok and I work hard and I hustle my money. Because all we get bring down for we get. Him can rent some out of film blood clot packet. Eh? Blinga what you?
Alright, some people, alright, just so me end the Rosealee part, but me have to go add something on it, you see me, because Coutour, that girl there, she come, you know what I mean, talk for RT boss, you would have said different RT boss, and this is what she have to say about Spice and Spice coming out now to talk about where RT boss do the youth allegedly. Seeing so make we hear what she say.
You should protect that little boy from then on out. We talking about realness now. We talking about pure heart, genuine intentions and love for people, humanitarianism. Like, you cannot wait 2 years later to try to defend a little argument. No, you have to protect the child. It means that this cannot be real because there's no way you could use this as a bait. So RT, at the end of the day, do what you do.
Let me tell you how that go.
I'm out.
It's some group of people where me and them are war over Queenie. Me diss them because you know when me ready for cuss me out brawling. After me cuss them said threaten me say, oh, me go and tear you down, me a come for your family, me a come for your pitney, them go suck your more really. Couple weeks after them come with this voice note. When them come with the voice note, everybody listening, me no pay it no mind. 1 year now the voice note that them send cease and desist letter. She still decided say she not stop talk. So we take it to the court. All right, leave it this or no. Spice coming at the war, she see it and take it up and say that me, the broadcast it. She want broadcast it. Spice don't know that this story is make-up story, but she want come to use it to bring me down. Because the people might tell her about it. Now, mind you now, this is a voice note. We never see the boy. We never see the boy come forward. We never see nobody. But we hear a voice note that go around. Me take us every day and tell them, say, bring it to the police, go report, the police call me. Me there every day, no police not call me. Me not have time to pay the people in the mind. So everybody around with that story, when you're in America and people make these allegations, these people were bit against me where I carry it. All them need to do is go to the police station. Why them can't use the bitterness and go to the police station? Because them know it is not real. From last year, this is going, Jodi.
What do you mean, this a go on? Everything no?
My argument?
Oh, okay.
That a go on from last year where one girl by the name of Momo, where she come up with that allegation against me and Spice take it up and run with it.
Yeah, that's stupid. I feel like that's dumb. Like, you feel me? I don't care about the extra shit, but that's just stupid to me. And at the end of the day, like that now I'm not gonna wait.
Me make the people, look before you come, I make the people them listen the recording. In the recording, we don't even hear what the boy say, we're being honest. But we know that the girl a force him to talk and I say things. And I tell him say she have other boys that they were ready for talk. She's not going to say nothing to RT or nobody. Please tell her the truth. Did RT have you in Jamaica? First, the argument in say me with somewhere in a Jamaica after the pandemic. Then in the conversation, them start saying no a New York. You hear me? So nothing in the voice note makes sense when them analyze it.
Yeah, but then at the end of the day, that little boy gotta know, all right, this is your allegation. You saying a nigga all right, come on, let's go to court. Take me to court, sue me, bring me down. Brawling, like, wait, they don't know us nothing like that. You have to sit on upon that and
No, let me tell you what she said. She said, me pay off the boy. Me want pay off the boy. And she said, me trick. That's what she said. So the boy afraid to come out because me trick him family and in life and me I try to pay off the boy. All these allegations she has said, put him in if you know where she has said.
Well, but if you pay off the boy and him afraid to come first, because I don't like things were done. I'm not fond of the stupid shit. Like, if you pay him off and he's scared to come forward, then like that don't even make sense. Because what are you protecting here? Your rights. You came out and talked. That means you're seeking help. You want to go forward. You want to get this person punished for the wrongs that they did you. You understand me? So you ran to a safe place. So how could the scary man find you again and bribe you to not do something that you were so willing to do? Like, it don't make sense to me. It gotta make sense. Like, it does not make no sense to me. Because at the end of the day, I'm one of the people that I'm in the crowd. I don't give a damn. I don't care. Like, I don't care. But more all that makes sense. Everybody will get right.
So my advice to the careless people them, the strength only have to come on the media and kick live and tell people, okay, take it to the police. The people them will not bring on the live.
Alright, people. So RT, he must say something right, yeah, so. You know what I mean? RT I say something right, yeah, so he might tell them, say, alright, if you don't say such and such go on, then take it to the people. You know what I mean? Carry it go as far as you can carry it go. Because me there. You see what I say? So with him saying that, you know, is either them not have no strong nothing that it look like to me. But this Couture person, you know, it's like it's like she don't really know what go on, and that is sound like to me. But let me know one thing about what she has said, but I go watch some more people.
Now I can't help you know. And we know nobody on the life can help them more than just like a chat. Take it to the police. That's all I'm asking them.
Exactly. Take it to the police. And that mean I say like, take it to the police. There's nothing. Take it to the police. The police are gonna protect you. They got the protection services for things like that. Like you're gonna protect you. You think something? I'm gonna protect you. Take it to the police. That's a serious case for the law. Like I don't play about rape. Like you get me? Like I've had my own encounter and shit in my life. Like I don't play about that. And I don't think that shit is a joke. I don't think that's something that you throw in the air because like that's not a joke about like that's different. Like you know what I'm trying to say? Like and it's not exactly even with the girl case. Cause then they Talib cool. Like the Talib sister, like that story is so old. It's all so old for it to be come back now and it's being the topic of discussion in 2024. This shit feel like we living in the past. Nobody want to be here. Nobody want to deal with this. We don't want to hear this. We don't care. Nobody want to relive these horrible moments and these horrible stories. You understand what I'm trying to say? Find something else to talk about. Or come say sorry like I heard a young lady. That young lady is very intelligent that was up here, the Shelly girl. Come say sorry. Come apologize for your wrongs if that's how you feel. Like, I'm sorry. I act like I didn't know you. I act like you didn't exist. You get me? Who cares? But like, stop playing on people's livelihood. Huh?
So, Jodi, this it comes to. And she also states, you know me and Blinga par over here, don't Jodi? You on the phone?
Yeah, I'm here.
You know Miss Bling, you hear about her?
Yeah, I've seen her. Actually, this whole thing is how I know her, and I'm gonna lie. Like she be speaking some facts. I love her. She run, chant, she class. I shouldn't care who like her, and that's my kind of girl.
And me and her sit down over here, and Spice say, after this now, let me see if Miss Blinga come sit down beside him out there see him. Let me see who I go post him video. Let me see who I go stand up beside him after all of this. Let me see where society gone to. You see how the girl wicked?
Yeah, but you can't come give those demands. You can't tell people who to be friends with. You can't. People staying with you through all the bullshit. So why do you expect them to turn their back on their friends and all the bullshit? Not because you don't know what a friend is, according to the gossip, because this is gossip. This is obviously big gossip, and it's going on.
Yeah.
Some people want to tell me one thing in the comment section. Alright, just so me I end it. Me feel like said a girl is still she up on RT side because she and RT a come from far. You know what I mean? But anybody would do that, you know what I mean? Cause me not gonna say anybody kind of people them not in the foolishness. You see what I say? From certain thing I go on them now are in that, so them now go come on the life and give no opinion. You see what I say? But people wanna make me know what I think we're gonna end it right just so.